Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm diving into why Chia's new format is such a game changer. So, Chia's new proof of space format addresses two big issues: high energy consumption from compressed plots and the risk of rental attacks. The initial redesign made the network up to 1,000 times more resistant to rental attacks and greatly improved compression resistance with only a small upfront cost during harvesting, but that's just the beginning. Chia has now announced further advancements that build on this solid foundation. These updates promise even greater efficiency, reduced energy consumption, enhanced security, better compression resistance, and expanded accessibility. Here are the key improvements: lower minimum specs for harvesting, support for smaller plots, more efficient plotting, reduced network energy consumption, stronger compression resistance, and near-instant proof verification. The new innovations include a frozen quality string and a chain of proofs. These advancements shift all security to a single, infrequent point, significantly enhancing compression resistance and reducing the energy consumption of honest farming to almost zero. Now, here's the cool part: they now support plots as small as 3 GB. Due to the symmetric properties of the format, only even-sized K sizes are supported. While Chia currently has no plans for sizes smaller than K28, larger K sizes might be on the horizon. Each even-step K size is a little over 4 times larger than the previous size. The new plot sizes are as follows: K34, around 260 GB, K32, around 61 GB, K30, around 14 GB, and K28, around 3 GB. Smaller plots require less memory for plotting and recomputation, but increase mechanical HDD activity. Larger plots reduce HDD activity, but demand higher resources for plotting and recomputation. For more information, head over to chia.net. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.